Protein, the building block of muscles, plays an indispensable role in muscle health. When you consume protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids, which it uses to repair and build new muscle fibers. Consuming adequate protein during Ramadan is crucial, particularly because you're eating within a restricted time frame. Aim to include high-quality protein sources in all your meals during non-fasting hours. Foods like lean meats, dairy products, legumes, and eggs are excellent sources of protein. Remember to spread out your protein intake throughout the non-fasting hours. Consuming protein in one large meal isn't as effective as distributing it across several meals and snacks. This approach ensures your body has a steady supply of amino acids for muscle repair and growth. Dehydration can lead to muscle fatigue and weakness, hindering your performance during workouts and slowing down muscle recovery. But during Ramadan, staying hydrated can be a bit tricky due to the fasting hours. Make a conscious effort to drink enough fluids during non-fasting hours. Opt for water over sugary beverages to prevent unnecessary calorie intake. Sleep is the time when most muscle repair and growth occur. Therefore, getting enough rest is crucial for maintaining muscle mass. During Ramadan, your sleep patterns might be disrupted due to late-night meals and early morning suhoor. Try to adjust your sleep schedule to ensure you're getting sufficient sleep. Remember, quality sleep is just as important as the quantity. In summary, maintaining muscle mass during Ramadan involves careful planning and a focus on three key areas: protein, hydration, and rest. Ensure you're consuming adequate protein and spread it out over the meals during non-fasting hours. Stay hydrated by drinking enough fluids when you're not fasting. And finally, prioritize getting enough quality sleep. Remember, Ramadan is a time of spiritual growth and self-discipline. By taking care of your muscle health during this period, you are not only preserving your physical strength, but also practicing a form of self-care that aligns with the spirit of the season.